morning, you guys, and welcome back to another video. It's been a while. I've been so busy for the past couple weeks. What have you guys been up to? So for the past weekend, we did so much for J4. We went to my sister's house, we went to our cousin's house to celebrate J4, and then I think we went out to like the beach too to go swim. We did a lot. I'll just insert the videos here for you guys to catch up on our J4. I am heating up breakfast. Yesterday night I made kapon. Matt was craving for some kapon, so I made some kapon for him. And if you guys want to know my recipe, so I will put the link up here so that you guys can check out my recipe for my kapon. I get a lot of compliments on it. Everyone has their own preference, you know, so feel free to try it out and tell me what you think. Y'all, I finally found my freaking tripod. I found it. I had to dig through like my freaking hoarded junk in the closet, and then I just bought a new car mount that I was telling you guys about, because I was like, I needed a car mount to hold my camera when I'm driving. I got one. This is so cool. I'm so excited to use it. I haven't used it yet. In 2 weeks when we go camping, me and Matt will probably use it for like the GPS and stuff. I already opened it. I don't know what brand it is. Let me see. No, it doesn't have a brand. It doesn't have a brand. It just says heavy duty suction cup camera mount, and then it comes with like the little sticky side here, and then like the suction is at the bottom. So I'm pretty excited to use it. I am just gonna show you guys what you guys missed the past weekend.
I'm too fat and I'm trying to drop in pounds, I step on what? Scale. Yep.
She real funny. She's gay hater. Oh, Aaron DeGeneres.
No,
don't count.
Cause that's
funny.
Funny.
Oh, did I?
No,
I'm doing, but it's a different blog. Yes. Okay, that's the point. I don't know this one. It's what I always tell the kids that we're gonna do when we exercise.
They got armor, blog, and trash can.
Yes.
Okay.
It's trash, but not trash.
I'm gonna do that.
Yes, let's go.
Okay, we put this on that Mount Olympus on everybody.
Sunscreen.
Yes.
Damn, Liz not good enough, man.
Yeah, they're beating us
That's
by
pretty
2.
good. That's pretty good.
That first one was
8 to 6.
But I'm pretty good. At Piamo.
An armored insect that is
Beetle. Say it.
really
Mussels.
that is
Beetle.
it's
Jumbo.
on land.
Crawfish.
Eats on what?
Oh, praying mantis. We don't eat praying mantis.
Oh shit!
Grasshopper.
Oh my gosh! It has 4 legs.
Look, my brother eats armadillo, right?
Hey. Some people eat praying mantis, bro. Some people don't.
Yes.
What's a prayer mantis?
It's the one that with
It looks like a grasshopper, but
It's green, but it got like
no, Daddy's playing.
Like a crab?
no, it's an insect, but it's green. It looks like a leaf, but it got like large claws on top.
it's a magician bug in Bugs Life Disney.
And then it's on a holiday, 3rd month of the year. It's on the 17th.
St. Patrick's Day.
Yeah, but like what?
Oh, leprechaun.
Clover, no.
Leprechaun.
Clover. Like cover. No. Fully covered. It starts with an S. Leprechaun.
See?
What was it? It was Shamrock.
Shamrock. Oh my God.
You should say McDonald's.
Yup, McDonald's
You
shit.
should have just said the stereo.
So I hope you guys enjoyed our little clips of our J4 event
Play Fortnite.
on your Nintendo. I am making egg rolls. Almost 40 egg rolls. Almost. Enough for me and my little family. Ooh, I've been slaving away in the kitchen this whole day. I lied. I was not slaving away. I was actually fixing my banners for my YouTube channel and my Facebook cover. And then I finally just started cooking like around 7. I went and dropped off the rest of the hmong that I made to my 2 sisters because I love them so much. I'm such a good sister, I swear. And I'm the youngest. Always cooking and feeding my sisters, you know? I wanted to show you guys my cool tool that I just got. This is a candle lighter. So it looks like this, and then there's like a little switch right here that you can switch off and then switch on, and that's how you know it's on. And then there's like a little power button right here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but you press on it, it lights up. So I'm gonna show you guys because I have a candle in my bathroom. You press on this little button right here and then it turns on. So let me see if I can do this. And then voila, it turns on your candle. I don't know if I can use it as a lighter because I haven't tried it as a lighter, but supposedly it's a candle lighter. So you just light your candle with this. I like it because it's like super long and like it helps me reach the very bottom of the candle, and it's child-proof, so like the kids can't play with it unless they like switch it up and press the power button. If you guys are interested, I will put the link in my description below so that you guys can purchase it and make life easier. I think my egg rolls are ready. It's hot. My beautiful egg rolls. Okay guys, I'm gonna finish up cooking and I'm gonna end this vlog here. So if you guys enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't done so already. And I will catch you guys in the other one. Yay!